Welcome guys to this tutorial series where we are doing this animated human with the simulated clothes.
So for the tattoos of this avatar, I generated this texture in Midjourney by writing this prompt tattoo on blank background, and I used version 6.1, and I edited it and inverted it so the lines are the white values, and now this tattoo was ready to use in Blender as an image texture. And you can generate your own texture, or you can download the one that I created. I have it among the free resources that you can download by following the link in the video description. So when you want to add tattoos to the skin, you need to find the body part to which you want to add a tattoo. So you check in the material tab and then find head in this case. The first image texture here represents the color of the head and also includes the neck. So what we want to do is to create a variation of this skin color that represents the color of the tattoo. So we duplicate this one to keep the original, and then we create some space and add a hue saturation node. And for this to work well, we're gonna go quite extreme with the color. So these are the values that I have added: 0.63, 1.49, 0.04. So this is like an extreme value of the tattoo color. And now we wanna control the factor that blends between these two colors. And that's gonna be done with an image texture. And we will select the tattoo image texture, and then you see the tattoo here in the middle of the face. So let's add a mapping node and a texture coordinate by pressing Ctrl T if you have Node Wrangler, and then we can move this tattoo around on the face by sliding these parameters. So this is up and down, and this is left and right. So this is how you add a tattoo. Set your image texture to clip so it doesn't repeat over the head. And then if you want to add more tattoos, move this a bit to the side, add another mix color node, and then plug the tattoo color into B, and then add your other tattoo up here and plug it into the factor. So now we have two tattoos on top of each other here. And you can repeat these to add more tattoos. In my case, I added 3 tattoos.
And that's it for this video. In the next video I'm gonna show you how you can add earrings, glasses and a necklace to your avatar and how to make it stick during an animation. Like, subscribe and share this tutorial with your friends. See you in the next video.